Ian Bibby, and I'm framing an eco-built passive house. Here it is. So this is the backyard, if you want to call it that, or the back side of the house facing south, so we can get as much solar gain as possible. This would be the entrance to the basement, so just watch your step as you come up. We have our 9-foot ceilings in the walkout here, and it's ICF basement, so insulated concrete forms with a little bit extra insulation as well compared to your typical ICF design. So out front here we've got our covered porch. So this is the front entrance. We'll have a few more interior walls to come as well. So it's not going to be fully open concept like you see now. So yeah, and then we can go take a look upstairs. So this is the second floor. Again, still waiting on interior walls for up here. The big window, there'll be a railing across here with the open to below concept, and so you can call down for a beer or whatever you want when you get thirsty. Or we're contemplating maybe putting like a small bar top here if there's, we feel like we have maybe just enough room to accommodate a little seating area to enjoy the view out the window. So this would be kind of a neat little spot in the house, and I've had a lot of fun framing it and working with the angles and stuff like that. So I think it keeps life interesting and keeps you on your toes. So yeah.